Hi everyone! Today is 5th June, World Environment Day. On this day, I am going to deliver a speech which will be helpful for students. Let's go through it. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. Moreover, it is the only thing that can make life sustainable. Without it, we cannot survive even a single day. For instance, our skin will burn, the lungs will get ruptured, our blood pressure would rise, etc. Furthermore, we will not have food and water to survive, and this will also be possible because of the imbalance of heat and atmospheric pressure. Thus, it is important that we should take care of the environment. Also, abandon all the exploitation that we are causing it. Therefore, it is vitally important to save the environment since the very existence of a favorable environment determines the chances for the survivability and development of life within its boundaries. Why do we celebrate World Environment Day? Every year, the world celebrates World Environment Day on 5th June to raise awareness about environmental health and to prevent its further damage by taking preventive measures. Moreover, to also take various preventive measures to avert the effects of global warming, since we all know that global warming is the root cause of the ruin of our environment. Therefore, it is our duty to protect our environment and stop all the exploitation that is destroying it. Because in the end, it is our basic need for our survival and our generations ahead. When World Environment Day first started? World Environment Day was established by the UN General Assembly in 1972 on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. What is the theme of this year's World Environment Day? Each year, celebration of the World Environment Day is prepared in accordance with the specific themes and by having specific slogans for that theme to bring success in the campaign around the globe. For the previous year, that is 2020, Colombia hosted the Global World Environment Day celebrations on the theme Time for Nature, with a focus on its role in providing the essential infrastructure that supports life on Earth and human development. For the year 2019, China hosted the Global World Environment Day celebrations and the theme was air pollution. In the year 2018, India hosted the Global World Environment Day and the theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. It was an initiative to combat use of plastic and encourage public, industries and communities to reduce the production of plastic and dumping it into the oceans, which damage the marine life and pollute the water. This year, our neighboring country, Pakistan, will host World Environment Day 2021 in partnership with the UN Environment Programme. This year's observance of World Environment Day will be on the theme of ecosystem restoration and focus on resetting our relation with nature. It will also mark the formal launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. What do we do on World Environment Day? On the World Environment Day, we all should participate in various campaigns to spread awareness about environment protection. Organizations all around the world come together on this day to take small steps to improve our future. Schools and offices encourage workers and students to plant trees or clean up some local land. These small efforts can leave a big impact on the environment. To improve the environmental conditions, the government and the international organizations must come together to fight the problems and save our environment. Introducing stricter laws condemning the use of plastic and planting more trees can help to curb pollution and help save the environment. This can help spread awareness and help people lower the gravity of the pollution levels around them. Conclusion. The whole idea of World Environment Day is to create a natural and beautiful world free of pollution or any other scarcity of natural resources. One should always be conscious of their activities and strive to keep our surroundings clean and healthy. Protect the natural resources and use them in an efficient and careful manner. Banning plastic, recycling, saving water, planting more trees, saving wildlife and animals are some of the steps which lead us to better environment. Planet Earth is a beautiful place, but we human beings have destroyed it for our selfish needs, which has led to pollution, scarcity of water, untidiness, etc. If we do not take proper steps to save the natural resources, everything will deplete one day and we will be left with nothing like water, pure and fresh air. It is our responsibility to save our mother nature and protect it from pollution and other hazards, which will lead us to a healthy future and a healthy life. So, this World Environment Day, thank you all for being a part of this session. Together, we all can do the good for our environment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.